What's up, everybody? So, hello YouTube. Started a new service, and I'm going to try to promote this throughout the area. I don't know if you can see. All we're doing here is extractor vacuum. This is a 1,000 square foot area that gets pounded, and they want to keep it looking really good all the time. And there's a couple offices up here you may be able to see in the camera. I don't know, that a little bit darker where this particular, it gets a lot of traffic there. So what we proposed to them is that we would come in once a month and using our host extractor vacuum. Let me get this. It's on its side because you have to protect the brushes. But yeah. And we're going to extract. Now these areas here in front of these doorways, we will actually use the host product, the compound, to clean and extract these areas right in front of the doorway. So this little area here is going to get cleaned with the product. Most everything else, except in front of doorways if necessary, we're going to encapsulate using the sponges, clean with the host sponges, and then extract. And everything else is just heavily vacuuming. You can saw the marks where I started my video. And as I was cleaning, you could literally see the carpet getting just ever so slightly lighter. From the machine's really good for, it's like a mini power lifter with a vacuum. And so we're going to do this every month, and then twice a year we come in and we do a deep cleaning, either with hot water extraction, or primarily I've been just using encapsulation, multiple passes, and extracting using pads, and they've loved it. It's a night and day difference when I finish. So if you're in the Greensboro area, you have a small office, you're watching this video hopefully, and you would like to contact me about having a similar service customized to your needs, you can reach out to BBC Carpet Care. My name's Jeff. Many of you have already started watching my channel. I'm not going to do any video on the cleaning of this today, but I will be in the future. Maybe next month I'll have the camera set up and the process could be shown a little more extensively. All right, guys, I appreciate everybody that subscribed. If you haven't already, please do like and leave a comment, and have a great day.